Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to take a look at WPX, which is the very fastest web hosting available over on WordPress. So if you have a WordPress website and you want to find ultra fast hosting, then this is the video for you. Without further ado, let's dive into the content. So guys, jumping across to WPX.net, which as always is linked down below in the description. Make sure you go and check it out after this video. WPX is an amazing platform that's going to give you ultra fast browsing speeds for your website, which is so important because the average person nowadays has zero attention span. And if your website is not loading quickly, then you're going to be losing out on viewers, customers, clients, whatever that might be. So it's so important that your website is loading faster than others in order to maximize your potential returns. And WPX for the second year in a row is the fastest hosting available on WordPress. So you can see that we know how important resources are for your performance of your website, which is why they've increased the number of free things that are available with the hosting, as well as various other plans that start from absolutely free. You can see that the speed is spectacular and there's so many other things going on. Everyone loves getting things for free. So WPX also includes speed optimization. So you can test the speed of your website. You can also work to improve the speed of your website. There's free unlimited side transfers to WXP, free lightning fast CDN, free malware detection and removal, as well as free site fixes if it's down, getting your site up and running as soon as possible so that you can continue to service your clients. Coming down below, you got 30-second average response time, which is absolutely insane. If you've ever got a problem, just hit up the team and they will sort your problem out within 30 seconds, which is just crazy. You can see they're here live now, so there's always people there to talk to. Hosting humans and dogs since 2013. See how WPX sponsors and manages our own no-cage open yard animal sanctuary. Now coming into more details about the free features, you can see obviously the speed optimization tells you all about how that's going to work for you. There's also a free upgrade to your bandwidth and disk space as well when you get this package, which is obviously insanely good as well. There's free site migration within 24 hours. There's also lightning fast CDN or content delivery network. Here you can see how they're basically performing on various different platforms. And there's also things like free malware removal and detection. Guys, these are things that actually cost quite a lot of money traditionally. So by coming across WPX, you can actually save loads of money, but at the same time get the very best performing web hosting. Now, free malware detection and removal is absolutely essential. These days, quite a few hosts do offer free malware scanning to notify you of infections, but the big problem is without having the expertise and experience to safely remove the malware from your website, it can also cause the website to break, so it needs to be done properly. Hosts can charge hundreds of dollars for this work. However, WPX will be doing that for you for free, and remember, it only takes 30 seconds for them to respond to you if you've got any issues on your site. Here you can see the free fix if your site goes offline, and that's something that I really like, because I have had problems with websites I've built in the past, and it's always great to have a team who are willing to respond to you and help you out straight away for absolutely free, rather than having to go and pay expensive developer fees. Now, something else that's absolutely essential to the speed optimization is Google will actually rank your website higher if your website is running faster. So Google SEO or search engine optimization is an essential part of any website because it guarantees that you'll get good free traffic if you can create good SEO. And if Google recognizes your website as one, providing the services that it's offering, and as well as that, doing it in a succinct and fast or ultra fast way, WPX is going to get you to the top of the Google search rankings. And think about how many people you could potentially get in the door who are looking for your products for absolutely free by optimizing in this area. Now, obviously, it's essential when you buy any product to go and check out the reviews. And if it's on Trustpilot, that's even better because it's a verified platform for giving accurate reviews. People can't go and tamper with it. Now, we can see down below, it's got 4.9 star review from 2,454 total. Going down below, you can see all of the information people are providing about how much they've loved using WordPress. I'm subscribed to a bunch of services and support. WPX is always the best. They're prompt, helpful, efficient, and know exactly what they're doing. Come down below, guys, there's tons and tons of 5-star reviews, all about the customer service, all about the speed of WPX, and all of the best things that it offers. So guys, looking at the different packages and things available, you can see you can get 50% more disk space and 100% more bandwidth on all hosting plans. Starting from the business one here at $20.83 per month. This is based on a yearly purchase. Obviously, if you go for the monthly, it's going to cost a little bit more, but that's obviously depending on how much money you got to invest in this right now. But you can see down below with $24.99 for the monthly version, you get up to 5 websites, 15 gigabytes of storage, 200 gigabytes of bandwidth, which is absolutely insane, plus all of those free add-ons that I've been talking about earlier. And you got the $49.99, which is up to 15 website with 30 gigabytes of storage, 400 gigs of bandwidth, and then the elite version starting at $100 a month. And then this offers 35 websites, 60 gigabytes of storage, and tons of other things. So perhaps if you're running multiple e-commerce businesses, etc., then this is the package for you. If you go down through the link in the description and you come across and you go and make a purchase on this, all you need to do is click on buy now. And then when you go to the checkout page, you just need to use the code 25WPX, and that's going to give you 20% off on your purchase. So make sure you get across, guys. That's not going to be around forever. Get through the link down below in the description, make your purchase, 25WPX, and that's going to give you 20% off whatever your purchase value is. You can see down below all plans including one-click WordPress install, super fast storage, various other different things like the site migration, which we've already talked about, 28 days automatic backup, high-speed custom CDN with 32 global locations. And this down below is all their promises. They'll provide 30-second response time. We talked about how valuable that would be, as well as all the speed and other features. You can see that it will take literally 24 hours to move your website across to this hosting, which is ultimately going to get your website to perform at the next level, as well as enjoying all of those other add-ons. So in summary, guys, if you've got a WordPress website that you want to improve the speed and performance of, then make sure you head over to the link down below, get your 20% off on the WPX web hosting. It comes with a ton of free features, which I've talked about throughout this video. So if you want access to the very best services and all of those absolutely free add-ons, then this is an absolute no-brainer in my opinion. Whether you're running a blog, whether you're running an e-commerce store, whether you're running anything else, this is what you must get your hands on, guys. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, smash the thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. Thanks very much for doing that. Helps me out more than you know. If you're new to the channel, you want to learn more about various digital products and how they can help you with your digital business, then make sure you subscribe to be kept up to date with all of the latest products coming out as it happens with the very best deals. Thanks very much for watching, guys. I'll see you soon in the next one.